Welcome. Today we're diving into how to create another account on Roblox with the latest steps. If you're ready to expand your gaming experience, let's get started. First, you'll need to log out of your current account. Open the Roblox app on your device. Once it's open, look for the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on those to open the menu. Scroll down until you find the Log Out option. Go ahead and tap it, then confirm your choice. You're now logged out and ready to create a new account. Next up, it's time to create that new account. You'll find yourself at the login screen after logging out. Look for the Sign Up option and give it a tap. Now, it's time to enter some important details. Start by entering your birthday, and then choose a unique username for your new adventure. Don't forget to create a strong password to keep your account safe, and select your gender if you'd like. Once you've filled everything in, simply tap on Sign Up to finalize the process. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new Roblox account. Now you can explore, play, and connect with friends all over again. Enjoy your gaming journey and happy playing.